you know you had those chances against Buffalo and in this game? Does that make it tougher to swallow this than it was last year?
Oh yeah, I think it is. I mean, it's tough any year that you don't make the playoffs. You work extremely hard during all season long to get this opportunity and to come down to one game and walk away. Losing tonight is going to be difficult to accept. Our guys worked extremely hard to be in this spot, and Tampa came ready to play. You know, they came here looking to spoil our playoff hopes, and that's exactly what they did.
Hey Cam, the mood in the room going out, everybody was confident. You thought was it tight in the room before the game? I think it was loose.
No, I mean, don't forget they got a very good team over there, and maybe some other teams wouldn't have played that hard, knowing that you know, their position was safe, and you know, they played us really tough in that first period. They got guys that you know, break loose, fly out of the zone, and have a lot of skill that can put the puck in the net, and they cashed in on their opportunities in the first period. And it was a pretty big hole to come out of, and but we didn't give up. We gave ourselves a chance with the opportunities that we had, and we just couldn't seem to find the net obviously enough to win.